Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install foreclosure research using RealtyTrac, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the RealtyTrac website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and password. Verify your email by following the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your RealtyTrac account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard for available features. Look for the Foreclosure Research tab, usually located in the main menu. Click on the Foreclosure Research tab to access the relevant tools. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the Foreclosure Research page. Select your desired filters to narrow down your search, such as location, property type, and foreclosure status. Adjust the filter settings based on your specific needs. After setting your filters, click the search button to generate the list of foreclosure properties. Review the generated list for relevant properties. Click on individual listings to access detailed information. Take note of key information such as property address, auction dates, and estimated values. If necessary, save or bookmark properties for easy access later. Consider using additional tools and reports provided by RealtyTrac for deeper insights. If you find your ideal property, follow the site's instructions for making an offer or contacting the seller. Regularly repeat your search to stay updated on new listings. Explore educational resources available on the site for further guidance. Utilize the customer support option if you have specific questions or encounter any issues. Stay informed about local laws and regulations regarding foreclosure purchasing. Keep your login credentials secure to protect your account and personal information. Start your journey into foreclosure research confidently with RealtyTrac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.